I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Linux Beta and giving it at least 3 GB so BloksTrap runs smoothly. Next, download the latest BloksTrap. Deb into your Linux files and make sure the file name is visible. Once done, open Terminal and run apt update, then apt upgrade to ensure dependencies match the installer. Doing this now prevents permission and library errors later. Make sure you have a stable connection and enough disk space before continuing to installation. You install the downloaded package using sudo dpkgi followed by sudo apt-f install to resolve dependencies. This sequence prevents half-installed states. Once installed, run the BloksTrap setup tool, which guides you to link the Roblox app and pick install paths. Choose the Linux home path for simplicity. After setup, check file permissions and use chown if files belong to root so the app can write configs. If prompts appear about missing runtimes, allow installation and wait for final configuration. You now launch Roblox through the BloksTrap launcher and allow any runtime permissions. This first run completes shader or asset caches. If the app crashes or fails to open, inspect the log files in /. Config /blockstrap/logs and copy the last 50 lines for diagnostics. A frequent fix is reinstalling graphics runtimes such as libgul1 mesadry and libvulcan1 via sudo apt install, and then rebooting the Linux container. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.